Now let's come to next category of questions involving multiple equations. So exercise 6.3, question number second I am doing here. So 3x plus 2y is lesser than equal to 12. One equation is given. X is greater than 1, greater than equal to 1. Another equation. Y is greater than equal to 2. Another equation. Right. So if I put, okay, so let's take first this equation. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Right. So 2y will be equal to 12 minus 3x. Y will be equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. So for every different value of x, we will have different value of y. Let's write it here. 1, 2, 3, x, y. So if x is 0, I am doing directly. You can you have to show the solution. So if x is 0, put x is equal to 0 into this. So y will be 12 upon 2, 6. If x is 2, right? So 3 multiplied 2 is 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. If x is 4, 4 multiplied 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, right? So these coordinates we have got for equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 we can draw easily, right? So let's come to the graphical part. So this is the way I have explained it. So scale we have taken. These are the coordinates I have written. The scale we have taken on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units, and on x-axis you can take different scale also. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, right? So this scale I have taken. Now the coordinates are 0, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 0. 0, 6. 0, 6 is this one. 0, 6. 2, 3. 2, 3, right? 2, 3 and 4, 0. So 2, 3 is this one. 2 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. And 4, 0 is this one. 4, 0. So let's mark these points using a scale, right? So draw a straight line in this way and write the equation on the top. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. 3x plus 2y is lesser than equal to 12, right? Now if I put 3x plus 2y lesser than equal to 12, so if I put 0, 0 here, so just put 3x plus 2y lesser than equal to 12, put 0, 0, so 3 bracket 0 plus 2 bracket 0 lesser than equal to 12. 0 is less than equal to 12, so true, right? So if the condition is true, we have to take portion which is towards origin. So this portion we have to take, right? Next equation is x is greater than equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is which one? This line, right? So x is equal to 1. I am drawing here. I'm marking here. So this is x is equal to, x is greater than equal to 1. Greater than equal to 1. So greater than or equal to means which portion? If I put 0 here, so is 0 greater than 1? X is greater than equal to 1. So put 0. 0 is greater than equal to 1. So false. So if it is false, condition will be outside 1. Similarly, let's take y. So 0 is greater than equal to 2. So this implies false. No. So both the conditions are false. So the portion which will be covered here, I'll use it with this blue pen. So the portion which is covered here is this one, right? Similarly, next is y is greater than equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 is this line, right? So just mark this line, right? Kindly consider it on the point because the angle was not perfect. So y is equal to 2 is this line. So y is greater than 2, that means incorrect portion, right? Incorrect part, the condition was false, so away from origin portion we have to take this one, right? So what solve the following equations inequalities graphically. So which area do we have, which area is intersection of all the three equations? This one, this triangle, right? Because this triangle, this portion lies above this 2, this portion lies to the right side of this line, and this portion lies below this line. This is our required portion, right? So this is our required portion. Is that clear? So this is the required graph. Thank you. Next, let's see question number 10. So 3x plus 4y is lesser than or equal to 60. So let 3x plus 4y is equal to 60, right? I'm dividing this paper into two pieces. So 4y is equal to 60 minus 3x, right? So y is equal to 60 minus 3x upon 4, right? So for every different value of x we have different value of y. So let's plot it. Table I'm drawing here. X, y. So if x is 0, right? If x is 0, y is equal to 60 upon 4, 15, right? So if x is 0, y is 15. If x is let's say x is 2. If x is 2, 15, and a long basis we are doing. If x is 2 or x is 20, 20 multiply. If x is 10, right? This implies y will be equal to 60 minus 30 upon 4, or we can say 30 upon 4, which is 15 upon 2, 7.5, right? So if x is 10, y is 7.5. If x is 20, so y will be 3 multiplied to 20, y is equal to 0. So if x is 20, y is 0, right? So this table we got. Let's draw the same table for this equation also. So let x plus 3y is lesser than or equal to 30, right? So x is equal to, okay, equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 minus 3y. So for every different value of y we have different value of x. Directly I am drawing this table x, y. So if y is 0, x will be 30. If y is 10, x will be 0. If y is 5, x will be 15, right? 5, 3, 15, 30 minus 15. So these points we have got. Similarly, if 3x plus 4y is less than 60, so 0, 3, 0 plus 4, 0 less than 60. So this implies 0 is less than 60, which is true. Similarly, x plus 3y is lesser than or equal to 30. So 0 plus 3 bracket 0 is lesser than or equal to 30. This implies 0 is less than 30. True, right? Or x is greater than or equal to 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0. That is also true. Y is greater than or equal to 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 0. That is also true. So all conditions are true. Right, now let's plot the graph. So this is the scale we have taken. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units on both the axes. So the coordinates are 0, 15 and 10, 7.5. So 0, 15 is which point? This point, 0, 15. 10, 7.5. 10, 7.5 is this one, 10 here, 7.5 on y-axis, so somewhere here. Next is 20 comma 0 is this one, 20 comma 0, right? I think scale we have taken a little bit shorter, so that will give us a precise diagram. So the condition is also true, so below portion we have to take, right? So equation is 3x plus 4y is lesser than equal to 60. 3x plus 4y is lesser than equal to 60. Just write this equation over this line here. 3x plus 4y is lesser than equal to 60. Next equation is x plus 3y is lesser than equal to 30. So 30 comma 0, 0 comma 10. 30 comma 0 and 0 comma 10. 30 comma 0 is this point and 0 comma 10 is this point, right? Join these 2 points, right? In this way, x plus 3y is lesser than equal to 30. X plus 3y lesser than equal to 30. Again below portion we have to take, so we will take this portion, right? Next is x is greater than equal to 0. So x is greater than equal to 0, so this x is, which is true, so above part. Y is greater than equal to 0, so this x is right side part. So which is the required portion? This one. This one. If I shade it using blue pen, so it will look like this way, right? So only this portion we have to take, right? This is our required region, and just take bigger scale. I would suggest you to take bigger scales, 5, 5, 5. So scale I am writing here on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. On both axes we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So this is question number 10th, right? Okay, let's take one more question number 14th, right? 3x plus 2y is lesser than equal to 150, right? So from here we can say 2y is equal to 150 minus 3x, y is equal to 150 minus 3x on 2, right? So for every different value of x we will have different values of y. So if x is 10, right, x is 10, so y will be equal to 150 minus 30, 120 upon 2, 60. If x is 20, y value will be 20 multiplied by 60, 150 minus 60 is 90, 90 upon 2, 45. If x is 30, 90, 150 minus 90, 60, 60 upon 2 is 30, right? So this coordinates we have got. Next equation is x plus 4y is lesser than equal to 80. So x plus 4y lesser than equal to 80. So from here we can say x is equal to 80 minus 4y, right? So for every different value of x, y we will have different value of x, y. So if y is again 10, so 80 minus 40 is 40. If y is 20, 80 minus 80 is 0. If y is 5, 5 multiplied 4, 20, 60, right? These values we have. Next, one more equation, x is lesser than equal to 15. Okay, let's put 0 comma 0 here. So if 3 bracket 0 plus 2 bracket 0 is lesser than equal to 150, so 0 is lesser than equal to 150, which is true, right? Again 0 plus 4 bracket 0 is lesser than equal to 80. 0 is lesser than equal to 80, which is also true. Next, x is lesser than equal to 15. So this implies 0 is lesser than equal to 15, which is also true. Next, y is greater than equal to 0, x is greater than equal to 0. So y is greater than equal to 0, 0. 0 is greater than equal to 0, true. 0 is greater than equal to 0, true. So all conditions are true, right? So let's put the values. So this is how I have plotted x-axis minus x, y minus y minus y, right? So first point is 10, 60, 20, 45. 10, 60 is this point. 20, 45, this one. 30, 30, this one, right? So let's just draw this line. Join the points. So the equation of the line is 3x plus 2y is lesser than equal to 150. 3x plus 2y lesser than equal to 150. Next, okay, which portion we have to take? The below one, this portion, because the condition is true. So next coordinates are 40, 10 and 0, 20. 40, 10 is this one, and 0, 20 this one. One more coordinate is there in between, 5, 60, 60, 5, sorry, 60, 5, this one, 60, 5, right? So let's join it. Let's join this line also, right? So in this way. So coordinate, the equation of the line is x plus 4y is lesser than equal to 80. X plus 4y lesser than equal to 80, right? So condition is true, that means below portion we have to take here also. So below portion is this one, right? Now next is x is 15. So x is 15 is this line. So x is equal to, x is lesser than equal to 15, lesser than equal to 15. Next is, okay, lesser than equal to 15 means which portion? Which portion we have to take? This one, this portion we have to take, right? Next is y is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. So that means this one portion, right? So which portion do we have? I'll shade that portion. Area of the required portion is this one, right? Intersection of the portion is this one, right? So this is our required answer. Let's write the scale also. So scale on both axes, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So on both the axes we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So this is our solution of this question number 14. So try the remaining parts. If any doubt is there, you can ask me. Thank you for watching the video.